Strategies unleashed by the aware Mischief. Presented by Mind Matters. So you've uncovered some highly questionable activities, and now the wrongdoers are aware that you're onto them. What unfolds next? Brace yourself, for things are about to take an intriguing turn. Upon realizing that you're privy to their malevolent actions, individuals with nefarious intentions tend to follow relatively predictable patterns of behavior. Comprehending these behaviors is a crucial step in safeguarding yourself from their malicious intent. Number 1. Denial or downplaying of behavior. When confronted, malevolent individuals excel at pretending ignorance. Anticipate them disavowing any wrongdoing, portraying innocence, and sowing doubt about your perception of reality. Be vigilant against their knack for distorting the truth, downplaying the severity of their actions, and selectively manipulating memory to support their claims. Uphold your assertions firmly and rely on evidence to fortify your case. Number 2. Efforts to control and manipulate the situation. Evil individuals thrive on manipulation and are adept at the art of mind control. They might appeal to your emotions, identity, or values to influence your thoughts and actions. Remain cautious and trust your instincts when faced with charm, guilt-tripping, and flattery tactics. Keeping a record of their promises and actions is also advisable to hold them accountable. Number 3. Utilization of intimidation tactics. When feeling threatened, evil often resorts to intimidation as its weapon of choice. Fear tactics, threats, blackmail, or physical violence may be employed to exert power. Don't yield and seek help if you feel unsafe. Maintain a support network for guidance and protection. Number 4. Playing the victim. Evil rarely reveals its true face, preferring a victim cloak instead. These individuals tend to portray themselves as the wronged party, seeking sympathy by presenting themselves as helpless, victimized, or discriminated against. Be critical of their narrative and strive to uncover the facts. Don't let them exploit your empathy or manipulate your sense of fairness. Number 5. Creating drama and distractions. Experts at stirring up drama, evil individuals aim to divert attention from their misdeeds. They create chaos, spin stories, and attempt to throw you off their trail using diversionary tactics such as blame shifting, ad hominem attacks, or generalizations. Stay focused on the facts and continue presenting evidence that exposes their true intentions. Number 6. Creating division. Proficient in exploiting differences, evil individuals aim to drive wedges between people. Using various strategies, they sow discord and conflict, deliberately causing rifts and animosity. Counteract their efforts by promoting unity, understanding, and cooperation. Navigating the challenging terrain of dealing with unscrupulous individuals can be emotionally taxing. They may react with manipulation, intimidation, and even violence to protect their interests. Prioritize your safety, seek help when necessary, and don't let their actions discourage you from doing what's right and exposing the truth. If you found this content helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.